When the world is so noisy outside and everything's, still looking and appearing a bit chaotic, the only place we can find sanctuary and the only place that we can find the true, a true sense of freedom, a true sense of peace, is by going within. And one of the biggest things that prevent us from accessing that freedom was what I talked about yesterday, was acceptance. But I also talked about how frustration and resentment and anger and some of those more fear-based emotions and feelings often prevent us from experiencing that freedom because we resist it. We find ourselves unaccepting of a situation. And quite often, if another person is involved, or quite often if we have behaved in a way in the past that we don't feel aligned with, then quite often we can be holding on to resentment. Either resentment to ourselves, resentment to others, or resentment to life when things haven't gone our way. So sometimes finding acceptance is an incredibly difficult thing, right? We don't want to accept that. We don't want to accept something that does not feel good to us, or like I said yesterday, that never match our expectations or our hopes or our dreams. So forgiveness is the antidote to that. Forgiveness is a practice that, when practiced regularly over time, we can begin to let go. We can begin to accept through forgiveness. So forgiveness and acceptance are intrinsically linked when we are going on this journey within ourselves to find that deeper sense of inner freedom. Forgiveness and acceptance are two true superpowers. And for most of the time in history, they've been mistaken for being weak. They've been mistaken for lying down, for rolling over, for giving up. But the truth is, if you can practice acceptance and forgiveness, you're going to become a superhuman being, a next level human, as one of my clients calls us. Forgiveness and acceptance is giving you the opportunity to find a deeper state of peace and freedom within yourself. Now, who wants a deeper state of peace and freedom to be accessed on tap? Let me hear. Give me some love. Give me some likes if you would love to be living from a place of peace and freedom more regularly. I know I do. That is ultimately what we desire as human beings. We desire peace, bliss, love, connection, compassion, empathy, understanding, joy, love. And guess what? These traits that I mentioned, they're not something to find outside of ourselves. They are your innate nature. All of those things are your innate nature. They are you. We just forget it because we get caught up in the content of our experience. The conditioning of our mind places all these barriers and obstacles that prevent us from seeing our own light. So forgiveness and acceptance can break us through that fog and allow us to see the beauty of who we are as human beings on the inside. Forgiveness and acceptance allows us to go beyond the ego, beyond the personal thinking mind, to access that inner state of love. And that's why these two practices are superpowers. I read a quote that said, "There is no love without forgiveness, and there is no forgiveness without love." And for anyone who knows me, I'm all about love. I'm like, find that state within you, the essence of your being, which is love, with a capital L, and you will live a happy, fulfilled, content life. If you do everything with love, and you open up your heart to experiencing that within yourself first, then life on the outside changes significantly.